and welcome to Filterize. I'm Sandra and together we will discover the Filterize benefits and possibilities. I'm glad you're here. To understand how automation works with Filterize and to recognize the small specialities, I first show you how Filterize and Evernote work and communicate with each other. You maybe think Filterize stores always all of your notes and has permanently access to them. Well, it doesn't work that way. The following happens. Each time you create or modify a note in Evernote, that change needs to be synchronized with the Evernote cloud. This happens while you sync your Evernote. After the sync, Filterize also receives the information about the change, and now Filterize checks your automation settings to see if an active automation can be applied. If so, the automation runs, and during a second Evernote sync, the result becomes visible at your Evernote. This means you have to set up and enable automations in Filterize, and from that moment they will be applied to any new or modified note within 2 Evernote synchronizations. So everything's happened in the background after you set up the automations, but only for new or modified notes. What about existing notes? New automations are not immediately applied to all of your notes. This gives you some kind of protection, because you can enable an automation and test it first on one of your notes and watch closely what happens to this note. And if you're convinced that everything is going well, you can also automate any existing note with a simple trick. I show you that trick a little later. Great, now you know the basics, and in the following steps I will show you how Filterize can greatly enhance your Evernote. We will take a look on how Filterize keeps your Evernote consistent, how it relieves you from repetitive tasks, and how to have more unity and clarity. This way you save time, you avoid mistakes, and nothing gets lost. I see you in the next video.